Hey guys, me Tesla Blaine, I'm back again, and today I finally got me a spoiler for my 2026 Tesla Model Y Juniper. Today I got this one from Tesery, and as you can see right here, this thing is beautiful. I love it. Real carbon fiber. All right, let's take a look at it. All right, so this thing came in a huge box. It was lots of packaging, lots of foam and styrofoam and everything in there. I went ahead and took it all out and got rid of it, so I just took it straight out of here. As you can see, we got this. I got the matte black. You can get the glossy one if you want. What I like about this one is got a little bit of a dip in it right here. It's kind of just makes it stand out a little bit. It's not just a straight piece right here, but it does it on both sides. So you can see it does it right there. So when we put it on the car, we'll take a better look at it. I believe it's going to look something like that right there. So it just got that little bit of lip that'll stick up right there. Anyways, these things are relatively easy to install. I mean, all you really got to do is just kind of line it up. I'm going to put some tape on the corners of my car, make sure that I got it centered so I know when I go to put this on there for the last time, I'm going to put it on straight, and I can put it straight up to my markings on there. And I will take off the red tape you see in here. One thing I highly recommend is get yourself some 3M adhesion promoter. Get yourself some of this. It's just a little package. You can order it on Amazon. If you're going to order one of these and it doesn't say it's going to come with them, get a little pack of these. These things are just a few dollars. And really all I'm going to do is I'm going to open this up and I'm going to put it right along the edge of the rear of my car, right where these 3M tapes are going to go. And they really help this 3M tape stick and adhere to your car. So all you really need is, if you don't have this, make sure you get a couple of these. All you need is a measuring tape of some type. I like using this one instead of having actual tape. It's a hard ruler. I like this. Need some blue painter's tape right here, so that way I can put it on my cars and kind of mark it. And then get yourself some Gorilla tape. I'm going to get the black Gorilla tape. I really like this brand right here. It's going to help stick pretty good, because once you put this on your car, you have to leave it on there for at least 3 days. Okay, so it gives it time to adhere to your car, and you put some tape on it, and I'll show you how I'm going to do. I'm going to put probably about 4 different pieces on there, and it's going to help secure the carbon fiber straight to my car. So I think that's all I need. Got all my tools, got everything ready. Let's get out there and I'm going to go ahead and install it. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to clean this area right here, make sure there's no grease or anything on there, because that's right where the 3M tape and everything's going to be sticking. So let me clean that off real quick. I'm just going to take my spoiler here. I'm just going to set it on here. Kind of line it up the best I can like that. Stand back, take a look at it. I can tell already this thing's going to fit perfect. What I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to do some measuring. What I'm going to do is I'm going to measure from the tip of this to right here. Imagine a straight line and put it on there. See what it says here, and then go over there, and I'm going to do the next size. I'm going to figure out what the exact measurement needs to be so it's even on both sides. All right, that's perfect. So right now, put a couple pieces of tape on there, just so you can see what I'm looking at here. Lining that up, and I'm going with so it's about a 1/16 of an inch over 4 3/4. So now that I have it just sitting here and I've got my tapes on there on both sides, so I know exactly where I need it to be. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull off the rear spoiler, and I'm going to put my promoter across where that 3M tape is going to go. But before I do that, I'm actually going to take the red tape off, because it normally takes a little bit longer to take that tape off. So I'm going to take the tape off, put my adhesive promoter on there, and then come back and set it on there, and then put the tape to help hold it in place, and then I'm practically done. All I'm going to do is just get it started. I never get this tape off this easy. This was a first to me. Something like this, exciting. All right, next thing I'm gonna do is put my adhesive promoter right here, right where the tape's gonna go. I'm also gonna get a couple pieces of tape ready. Start pulling out my tape. Start pushing on there. All right, I'm gonna add my tape on there. I don't want the tape to come up, so I want to add some more extra reinforcement pieces on here. And if you're worried about any of the residue from the tape getting on the paint, just take it, when you take the tape off, take your tape and sit there and keep prying at it, and it'll take all the tape right off. Get some rubbing alcohol or something, clean it off, and you're good to go. There you have it. It is now installed. If you look at this, you can see it fits it really good. All the way down to there. I don't see any gaps. All the way. It's perfect. Nope. Well, there you have it. I got it installed. I mean, literally 10-15 minute job preparing for it, putting it on there. Make sure you measure 2-3 times. Don't measure once and then mess up. Make sure you measure a couple times. Make sure that the distance is the same over there as it is on that side when you're doing it. And as long as you do that and you press on it and you put this tape on there, which is going to help keep it in place for the next 3 days, it'll be fine. Okay, it'll be perfect. Hey, if this is something you're interested in, the link is down below by Tesery. Click on it. You can use my discount code. They have a lot of other items on there that you can purchase. If you haven't done so already, give me a like on this video, subscribe to my channel, and guys, I got a lot more stuff coming. So most of all, be safe out there, keep having fun, and keep driving. Check you later. Bye. Peace.